What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have yet another sneaker unboxing for you guys. As you can see from the box, it's Adidas Performance, not Lifestyle. But before I get into the sneakers itself, man, I need to show you this artwork that I got from a dear friend who goes by Strokes and Layers on Instagram. Proper canvas print, and it's huge, right? I mean, I'm not a really tall guy, but you know, it's waist high, and man, I love this. So shout out to Alok. I'll have a link to his Instagram in the description. You can check out his work and place your orders too. Now that we're done with that, another shout out, this time to Oreo Kickz for helping me get these. Now, this, as you can tell from the subject, is a pair of Ultraboost sneakers. And as I open the lid, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have content coming out every now and then. And if you're a subscriber, you shouldn't be waiting till the end to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell a friend about this channel. Alright, oh man, this is actually a really nice box. It's got these two flaps, do I call that open up for a sneaker. There you have it, Ultraboost, Adidas. Nice box, I must say. And yeah, the Parley Ultraboost. This is actually my second pair of the Parley Ultraboost. Let me get the other one out and we'll talk about the sneaker. This is done in an all black upper with those blue aqua lines. Interesting. How did I not notice this? So Oreo Kickz sent me a pack of Oreos. Man, at least you could have dropped in the Supreme ones. I know they're expired, but still. The reason I picked up the Parley Ultraboost is, first of all, I love the Ultraboost. It's the sneaker that I wear when I go for my walks and all of that. And the one that I'm using currently, which is the Undefeated Ultraboost, is literally beat, man. It's almost done, gone to the ground. And look at the boost, forget yellowing, it's gotten all brown. So yeah, I needed a replacement. And another thing I must mention is that I always take out the insoles from my Ultraboosts, like you can see right there, because you don't get half sizes in India. I had to get a UK 8, but these are quite snug. I probably need an 8.5. So when Oreo Kickz offered me an 8.5 at a steal, I was like, man, I gotta get this pair because I really love the design on the Parley Ultraboost, but then they sold out. This specific colorway sold out, and he had a half size 8.5, which is what I picked up. This is a collaboration between Adidas and Parley for the Oceans. So what they do is they pull out all of these ocean plastic, people that are dumping plastic in and all of that, and then they recycle them to include them on their pair. And while the earlier pair had a heel cup, which had the plastic and some of it in the knit as well, I guess, I'm not sure how much of the plastic has gone on this specific pair, but the basics first. You have your Boost midsole, all white, your Continental rubber outsole for that better grip, and you have your torsion system right there. It doesn't have the Parley branding, it just has the Adidas logo embroidered. But if I were to explain this sneaker, it feels like it's a one-piece booty construction on which they slapped on another layer which has this blue Parley stitches. And I like how they look like the waves of the ocean, or they look like sonar. I can't be too sure. If you know, or if you can take a guess, drop that in the comments. The insoles are different on both the pairs. Let me show you really quick. So the left pair has a black insole with the text Boost running through it. And the right pair has the Adidas branding along with the Parley logo right there. No differences otherwise. This is not a separate tongue. It's all a one-piece booty construction, like on every Ultraboost. And this is just something I'm noticing now, but you have the three stripes in there that's embroidered on. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me try and hit it at an angle. Can you now? So that's the first stripe, second stripe, and the third stripe. It's embroidered on in black, and it's so discreet. Man, I love it. I love that detailing on the pair. What I'm sore about, the only point, is that it doesn't have a heel cup. Like, you know, this is my Ultraboost 1.0, which I really love and I very seldom wear. So you see the heel cup right here, I think that gives me a lot of support. And this pair too is a UK 8, so worn without an insole. An 8.5, I can keep the insole on, but it doesn't have that visible heel cup. There is some support, but I don't know. I'll have to slip these on feet and see how they feel. It feels like the heel cup is a lot shorter than the earlier models, and it's got this weird bump on the back, which I don't think the other Ultra Boosts have. Yeah, look at that. It's got that angular bump thing going on, which the other Ultra Boost doesn't have. So enough of me talking. Like you know, I highly recommend Boost for your walks. I'm no professional runner, but man, if you're going to spend your entire day on your feet, there's nothing I'd recommend more than an Ultra Boost. I'll tell you what though, let me slip these on feet and then come back to you with my feedback or my thoughts around it. So yeah, we did the on feet, and I'm gonna tell you my observations. They've got like a fusing on the inside. In terms of fit, it's just a comfy fit. I don't know if I'm just so used to the snug fit of my UK 8s, because even without the insole, they're kind of snug, that this feels too roomy. So I don't know, you know, I'm not really sure how the sizing works. At times they get it right, sometimes it's just off. But this kind of feels roomy. Although it's 8.5, I have the insole in. I don't know why, but I feel like there's not sufficient ankle support. I could be completely wrong, but when I wore it, I felt like my ankle was not really stable like it would be on a 1.0. I don't know if they reduced the height from the midsole to the top, or it's just the absence of the heel cup. I'll have to give it a little more wear to see how they work. I really wanted to pick up the Ultra Boost 2021. Man, that's something that I'm really excited about because I love the silhouette after a long time. If you aren't following me on Instagram, the link's in the description. Go check it out. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.